Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure battery is above 20% and the device is unlocked, because some options need confirmation. Once done, open settings from the home screen and tap display. This gets you into screen controls where always-on display lives. Make sure you have a secure lock set, because the phone often requires it for AOD features. You're not just tapping, you're setting the environment so changes apply reliably across sleep modes. Now navigate into always-on display or lock screen settings and toggle the feature on. You'll see style options, pick a clock face and what notifications or battery info show, choose minimal elements to save power. Next, set the schedule. Select always, night mode, or a custom time window to limit screen-on minutes. Make sure to preview if the style looks dim. Adjust brightness or reduce displayed items so the phone balances visibility versus. Finish by confirming your choices and locking the phone to test always on display. You should see the chosen clock and info while the screen remains low power. If AOD fails to appear, make sure power saver or ultra battery modes aren't blocking it, and verify motion or lift to wake settings don't override the display. If problems persist, restart the device and check for system updates. These steps resolve most glitches and restore the feature without losing your settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.